Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I use AI with video translation for creating channels where I don't want to use my face, and because I'm a male and I want to use a female character or avatar, I'm going to show you how to do this with AI using HeyGen with a combination of Camtasia, some video graphics, some audio graphics to make it more realistic. Now, the problem that I see with a lot of the AI clones or avatars or actresses that you use, sometimes the lips don't sync, sometimes the noise is too clear, and your first thoughts as an impression is, this is fake, and automatically someone will click off. So I'm going to go through the steps how I use HeyGen, Camtasia, and some other tools to make things look a lot better. So I have an account with HeyGen. It's not the most expensive one, but the version that I have gets me by. And right now I'm using the $24 a month plan. So let me go back. You could also use the free version just to test this out. So now I was working on a commercial for one of my customers, and what I wanted to do here is just create an avatar. And you could see I've got different voices, different characters that I've been using and testing with. So I'm just going to show you how I create this quickly. I'm going to come over to the top left. I'm going to go create a video. I want to create an avatar video. And I want to do this for TikTok or Instagram. So I'm going to create a portrait video. This is very straightforward, very simple. And you could see that I've got save favorites here. So I like Leah. She's great. You can see some other characters. If you wanted to look at their profiles and what they look like, for example, if you're using this as a brand, and for example, you've got Chad in version 3 here, you want to see what other outfits that he has. So you could come in and you could see he's got a construction. So this might fit your brand and your style. But because I'm a male and I wanted to use a female with a female voice, I wanted to select Leah. So you could come in and you could look at Amy, and Amy's got a bunch of different characters and outfits that you can choose from. So in this example, I'm going to use Amy, and I wanted somewhat of a UGC style. So I'm just going to select this one, Amy outside, and just drag her position over here. And now I'm going to go back. And now what you want to do is just come over down to the bottom. You can see it kind of goes in order. So the avatar, the script, the template. So now I'm just going to go over the script. And the first thing you want to do is just play what HeyGen gives you right now. So just click play.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Now, this is based on preference. So English, because I'm in North America, what I like to do is select English US and click on play and just see if it's a little different.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with...
Now, if you didn't like that, you come over to the top, come over to Joy. And now what I'm looking for is someone with an excited emotion. Let's say this is a UGC style and you're trying to promote a product. The accent, you could say English US. And the filter, what I like to do is female. And now you have a list of voices that you can choose from. So let's start with Melissa.
Hello, this is what I sound like.
That doesn't sound well. Let's listen to Christine.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Elizabeth?
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
No, I'm going to pass. Let's try Monica.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Let's try college girl Lexi.
Hello, this is how I sound.
And those sound too robotic, so I'm going to keep passing.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Too robotic.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Okay,
Hello,
so
this is how I sound. Hope...
Amy Outdoor. And this is great because they have Amy in a car. They have different ones in different settings. Scarlet Professional. So let's listen to Amy Outdoor.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
No, I didn't like that one. So you could see the different avatars and voices. So you know what? I'm going to use Lily. So I'm going to select Lily. So just click on it once. And now you can see Lily Professional with the optimized locale for English US. And now I'm just going to write some characters here. And I'm just going to say, are you looking for the best necklace and gift for your loved one? If so, click the link below. This is just an example. So now we could listen to this and see how she sounds.
Are you looking for the best necklace and gift for your loved one? If so, click the link below.
If we're happy with this, what we can do is click on submit, or you could select on preview. And let's click on preview and play this.
Are you looking for the best necklace and gift for your loved one? If so, click the link below.
It actually sounds pretty good. So I'm just going to continue editing and I'm going to submit this. The file name, I'm just going to put on Amy Outdoors UGC style necklace. My videos 1080, format is MP3. You could select just MP3, resolution 720 or 1080. I'm going to save it to my videos and I'm going to take off the HeyGen watermark and I'm going to click on submit. And now you can see that it's going to take about 40%. It's going to take another 60%. So this is pretty fast, actually. HeyGen is pretty quick in terms of automating this and rendering it. So now I'm going to get into a different video editing so I can show you exactly how I do this and how I make it look better with Camtasia, because you'll notice as soon as you download this, it sounds echoey, especially if you have a different avatar that is walking outside. For example, Amy is outdoors. She's in the wilderness, so you should be able to hear some background noise, some trees, etc. So watch when I play this, you listen to it, and my first instinct, my first thoughts about it was, the background doesn't match. The lips are in sync at sometimes, but it just doesn't look natural. And I'll show you what I do to fix that so it looks more realistic, non-AI, robotic-like, or not too heavy on the AI side. Okay, so now once it's ready, you'll see that there's no progress bar. And now what we're going to do is we're going to play this. Click on play. Now it's going to open up in a different window. And let's just watch the lip sync and listen to the audio in the background, because the background is outdoors. So hopefully it matches a little bit. And let's click on play.
Are you looking for the best necklace and gift for your loved one? If so, click the link below.
It's actually not too bad, but as you listen to it, it did sound a little bit too perfect in terms of too crisp of audio. So let's play that again.
Are you looking for the best necklace and gift for your loved one? If so, click the link below.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to download this file. Download original file. Okay, now I'm going to open up my different video editor just so I show you how I do this in Camtasia so it sounds a lot better. Okay, so now that we're in Camtasia, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on import and I'm going to click on Amy Outdoors. I'm going to bring Amy in. I'm going to bring her down here and I'm going to scroll out. I'm going to bring Amy to the front of the timeline here and I'm just going to click on play in Camtasia.
Are you looking for the best necklace? Are you looking for the best necklace?
So it sounds very hollow. So I'm just going to click on the volume. I'm going to click on mix to monotone so it actually plays in the left ear and the right ear for audio output. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to Envato. So I have a membership with Elements Envato and I downloaded this Sunny Hip Hop so it plays the background in the music. And I do like how it sounds. And the other sound effects that I want to look for is outdoor breeze. So now let's just listen to autumn breeze. Okay, so I'm going to download that. Now we're going to come back to Camtasia. We're just going to import those two sound files. So we're going to download that Sunny Hip Hop MP3, and then we're also going to upload. We're also going to move the breeze file into the media bin here. And you can see I moved it over. Let's just scroll out here. So now what I'm going to do is come over, add the breeze. So it sounds more realistic, like she's outside. So, and as you can see, it doesn't start until right here until...
Are you looking for the best necklace?
So now what I'm going to do is just move this over, kind of either cut it or you can just kind of drag it down like that and then bring it over. Bring that over. And now let's listen to it.
Are you looking for the best necklace?
Okay, now you could listen to see that it's just a little too loud. The breeze is too loud. But let's come back to this. I'm going to add the Sunny Hip Hop, just the music on top of it, and it'll probably be too overpowering. So let's listen to both of them.
Are you looking for the best necklace?
So it's starting to sound a little bit better, right? Now what you want to do with the Sunny Hip Hop, click on that track, come over to mix mono so it plays in both left and right as well as the breeze. Mix mono left and right so it sounds a little better. And what I like to do is come over to my favorites and I like to add a little fade effect so it looks more professional, and watch how it fades in.
Are you looking for the
See how it fades in? Looks a lot nicer. And then as it goes out, you want to put the fade out as well. And let's look at that.
Are you looking for the best necklace?
So the next part is you want to fix the audio on both of this. And the great thing about Camtasia is underneath audio effects, there's this feature called emphasize. So all you have to do is actually drag this over down to the timeline onto the clip that you want the noise to emphasize. And now what it's going to do, it's going to tone these two down. And now let's play this.
Are you looking for the best necklace?
So it sounds a lot better. Now if you wanted to fix the track of these two and bring him in, all you have to do is just kind of drag right into the timeline. It automatically stops here. And we're going to do this to this one. Or what you can do is just press the Command A. We're going to cut it. We're going to delete this part of it just by pressing delete. And we're going to drag this part. And now we could kind of move down the play timeline and then just listen to this again.
Are you looking for the best necklace?
And if that doesn't sound too well, you can always adjust the breeze just so it's a little louder, or maybe you want the music a little higher. Let's listen to this again.
Are you looking for the best necklace?
So it sounds a lot better. So that's how I use HeyGen AI with picking my different avatars. Let me just show you one more thing before we end the video. I'm just going to add some media on top of this. Let's say you didn't like the way her lips sync in certain parts. What you can do is just come over into media and you could import media. And I'm going to import a Facebook ad set, some videos, because I know that this part has some videos in it here that I can play over when her lips aren't synced. So as you can see, I've got this clip where she loved the gift, right? Okay, so that's just jewelry. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control A, I'm going to clip that out, and I'm just going to bring this where it doesn't sync up too well. I'm going to kind of move this image over, shorten it, and I'm going to add that fade in. So I'm going to come over to my favorites, and I've got a fade. I love using the fade, so let's just look at that now.
Are you looking for the best necklace?
We could extend this if we wanted to, as well as if you wanted the volume on this ad set or on this clip that you brought in, you could just bring it down, or you could come over to Camtasia and just come over here and the gain, just scroll all the way down to 0, and now it's not playing. So you could bring this more towards the area where she starts talking and just kind of drag and drop, move it over like that, and let's play this.
Are you looking for the best necklace?
And that's it for the video. So that's how I use HeyGen, using different avatars, better voices, making it sound more realistic. So if you like the video, please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. By liking and subscribing, it really does a great favor so I can get adoption and get to the 1,000 subscribers. And again, like always, I'll see you in the next one.